Hello and welcome back to Locked in the Kitchen with me, Paul, and today I'm going to be showing you a gorgeous sticky barbecue marinade sauce, perfect for chicken or pork, any kind of meat, but also lovely over roasted vegetables. Let's get on and show you how it's made. So, what you're going to need. We're going to start off with the base, and for the base we are going to be using good old tomato ketchup. In there we're going to place 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in the bowl, and that's a fantastic base to start our lovely sauce. To that tomato ketchup we are going to add two tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, two tablespoons of lovely, gorgeous, runny, sticky honey, then we're going to pop in half a teaspoon of black pepper, a whole teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, that's to add flavour, not heat. And then the last ingredient is 3 good spoonfuls of gorgeous dark brown sugar. And wait, I forgot. 1 crushed clove of garlic, either 1 large one, or if you've got tiddly little garlics, then 2 of those. Give it a good old mix. Now, if you are doing larger batches, you will want to double this up. I'm going to be marinating 500 grams of chicken thighs. I'm going to get those straight in the bowl, and like I said, you can do this for pork, you can do this for chicken, or even on vegetables. I'm going to get it all in the bowl, give it a good old mix around, get it all incorporated, and you want to make this ahead of time. So get your barbecue marinade prepared early, get your chicken in there, and then you want to pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to give it long enough for all of those flavours to get stuck in there and lock in all those flavours. We're going to pop it in a bag, and I find that's the best way of storing the chicken. Doesn't take up too much room rather than putting the whole bowl in there. Make sure you get all of that lovely sticky marinade in there. That's it. Tie up the bag, get rid of all that air, tie it up, and we're going to pop that in the fridge. Now, I'm not doing a barbecue till much later today, but like I said, you want to give that at least an hour of sit-in time, marinating, getting gorgeous and sticky, and all of those lovely barbecue flavours in there. We'll be popping this on the barbecue a little bit later, and we'll show you the results. And we've transferred our chicken over to a dish ready to go onto the barbecue. If you're unsure about cooking chicken on the barbecue, you can always start it off in the oven for about 10 minutes before transferring onto the barbecue, cooking thoroughly until the chicken reaches above 75 degrees centigrade at its thickest point to make sure it's fully cooked and ready to serve. And there you have it, a beautiful sticky barbecue marinade, perfect, like I said, for meat or vegetables. You can also roast vegetables with it as well and enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Do give us a thumbs up and a like if you have enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to see more from us. Look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye for now.